G'day, I'm Greg and welcome to the shed. Quick and easy workshop tip. This grinder. I've done another video on it, but I was talking about how I'm stripping the paint off it. Now, it's old, it's been around for a while, and what I don't want to do, because of the number of interruptions I get, I don't want to get it chemicals, I don't want paint stripper, I don't want it wet, because I can't just drop it and go and come back again. So the way I'm doing this one is with the needle scaler. Now this is just an ordinary air chisel with a needle scaler adapter. I've got the air compressor turned off because it's right behind me, so it's not going to run for very long, but this will give you enough of an idea to see what we do. So, let's zoom in so you can get a bit better look at it. Basically what I have here, other way. Basically what I have here is a surface that if I wanted to, I can paint straight away. Now, the beauty of the needle scaler is if I've got rust or corrosion or whatever, it'll get rid of that as well. The disadvantage of the needle scaler is that it'll give you a slightly textured finish if you haven't got a finished panel or something that's a bit soft. But it doesn't really matter on something like this because a lot of it's cast anyway. This here is a bit of, probably 3/8 by the looks of it. It was made in the days when all real things were measured in inches. So, quick rattle with the needle scaler. I can leave the whole thing assembled while I'm cleaning up most of it. I can use it. I've got no water, no chemical, no nothing in my workshop. I can do it in the middle of my workshop. All I've got to do is sweep it up or vacuum it up. You notice there's no dust. I'm not wearing face mask or anything. That's on this. There's other times where you'd want to be wearing face mask and dust suppression and bits and pieces, particularly if you're in rust, or you've got something that's been working with asbestos or whatever. But the basics of it is, the needle scaler is a very handy tool. Don't use it on thin metals, don't use it on your car panels. If you're going to use it on something like a subframe or a chassis on a car, try a little somewhere first before you get too carried away doing it, or get another chassis section and try that. But on this type of industrial equipment, it's perfect. Thanks very much for watching. That's today's workshop tip, and please subscribe.